This is the 5mm solid silver with 14 karat gold Canary tennis chain. And to prove that this is solid silver, there's the stamp. And I also got the fully iced out large round men ring. This is solid silver. As you can see, there's the stamp. And I got these from Harlembling. This is the flash test. Once again, solid silver, fully iced out men's ring. Now, I've been promised a free giveaway, and here it is. It's a solid silver baguette men's ring. There's the stamp. For the people that I'm giving this free ring, all you have to do is leave a comment and a fire emoji. And on April 20th, I will give that ring away. Once again, this is the flash test. Once again, also, I got these from Harlembling. This ring is the free giveaway. All you have to do, like I said, is leave a comment with the fire emoji, and on April 20th, whoever that lucky person will get this ring. Now please, because of what's going on right now, I need everybody to please stay safe.